bacon, sausage, egg, potatoes, cheese, peppers, and onion is the list you will need. Start with bacon and link sausage. Start with the bacon. Cook on medium heat. Place cooked bacon on a plate with a paper towel to hold the grease. In the same cast iron skillet, cook the sausage. If you do not have a cast iron skillet, a standard skillet will work, but get a cast iron one when you can. Cube your potatoes. You can peel them or leave them all natural. If you are in a hurry, microwave the cubed potatoes for 3 minutes. Also in the same skillet, cook the potatoes on medium heat till golden brown. Season with your favorite spices. Add chopped onions along with any veggies you like. Orange and yellow peppers are a great kick to the meal. Chop the bacon and sausage in bite-sized pieces. Add them to the potatoes. Simmer on medium for a few minutes, then clear 4 to 6 spots to add the eggs. After adding the eggs, add the cheese. Cover for 5 minutes, so allow the cheese and eggs to melt. Please like and subscribe so we can bring you more how to do videos. For the single guy,